Hey everybody, it's Brian. Here's another plant that's popping up in my yard for spring. This is Scabrida bamboo, native to high mountain altitudes in China, which make it cold hardy well below freezing. This stuff can be grown in zones 6 through 9. What I like most about it is it's got some really unique coloring. It's got this tan and orange sheath that appears on the new shoots and stays on it till it gets full grown. Then it shifts over to more of a green color. But this stuff is just coming out. It's going to grow several inches a week and will max out around 8 to 9 feet tall in this container I have it in. So I'm really excited to grow this and get it filled in. I moved it into this box last year, so there's still some pretty big gaps that I'm looking to get filled in this year with all these new shoots. So I'll provide another update when the shoots have finished growing. You can see how big they get and how long it took them to get there. Like and subscribe to follow their journey.